Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll guide you on how to set up a specialization within the hospital management system, a simple way to define the medical specialties your hospital offers, so patients and staff are always matched to the right area of care. Let's get started. First, navigate to Hospital Management and click on it to open the Hospital Management dropdown. Next, scroll down to System Setup in the dropdown and click it to reach the configuration settings for your hospital management system. This opens the system setup for hospital management and displays all the sections under the setup. Today, we will be working with the Specializations section. This section details the types of specialization your hospital offers properly. To start adding a new specialization, click here. In the form that opens, you will need to provide the name of the specialization, a description, and the current status, which can be either active or inactive. Let's walk through it. Start by entering the name of the specialty in the name field. In this case, diabetology. Then add a short description, so the scope is clear. For example, specialty focused on diabetes management treatment and metabolic disorders. A clear description here helps your team know exactly what each specialty covers. Next, set the status to active from the status dropdown so the specialization is live and ready to use across the system. Once everything's in place, click Create to save it. From the Specialization dashboard, you can see that the specialization we created has been added. And that's a wrap on this tutorial. You've now learned how to add a new medical specialty, describe its scope, and activate it within the hospital management system. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.